Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on the various features that are present within the View option in the planning board of the Projects app in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Projects application, he or she can click on any project that is present and navigate to its planning board. Here, in this drop-down, the user can select the View option and the various features are displayed. Here, in the column config, the user can add or remove the existing columns that are displayed in the planning board. This particular portion of the planning board is called the Gantt chart, where the user can view a timeline view with a graph of the period of time each activity, project, milestone, and wave is to take place, in order to zero in and drill in based on the month, the week, or the number of days of each activity that is to be done. The zoom in feature can be used. The same can be reverted by clicking on the zoom out option. Finally, in order to view the planning board in full screen, the user can simply click the full screen option and revert the same as well. Thank you for watching.